If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I mean, don't get me wrong, the space gray and the silver looks really nice, but I mean, this gold looks so sexy. What's going on, guys? Apple World here. So I've been using the iPhone XS for over a month now, and I have a lot to say about this phone. Like, some good things about this phone, some really good things about this phone, but also some bad things, like some really bad things about this phone. Yeah, I've actually made a bunch of videos concerning the iPhone XS. I made my review, I've made my water test video, and I've made my iPhone XS unboxing. So if you guys haven't actually watched all of those out, they will of course be linked down below. Before you guys ask, why am I wearing headphones? I just wanted to let you guys know that I actually picked these guys up for $150 for Black Friday. Crazy cheap, crazy good deal. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys actually want me to make a video on these guys. They have the W1 chip, so the same chip as the AirPods. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below some video ideas, or if you guys are actually interested in them at all. So yeah, enough talking about the Beats. Let's go dive right into the iPhone XS. And let's go ahead and let me just tell you the bad things about this phone, because they're pretty annoying. And starting off with the battery. Is it good? Is it bad? It's neither of those. It sucks. I mean, the battery of the iPhone XS, it sucks. And it's kind of annoying, like really annoying, because you are paying so much money for this phone and the battery sucks. I mean, it's currently 7 o'clock and I'm at 10%. And I barely use my phone. Like, I'm not a person that I'm constantly on my phone. I use my Apple Watch a lot now. You know, I love my Apple Watch because it keeps me away from using my phone so much. And it's really bad. So I tried out the iPhone XR, and the battery of the iPhone XR was amazing. It got me through the whole day without a problem, and that is thanks to the LCD display, because of course it barely consumes any battery life. But with the OLED display on the, it's just so bad. I mean, it's so bad. I actually tried out my mom's iPhone XS Max, and the Max was actually pretty good. You know, the battery went through the whole day, because of course it's a huge phone. But for those of you guys who are interested in purchasing the standard iPhone XS, I just wanted to let you guys know that it definitely isn't the best battery in the market. One other thing that I have to complain, and I'm done complaining about the iPhone XS Max, I promise. I love this phone. I mean, I've never been so happy with a phone. I mean, the iPhone SE was pretty amazing, but another thing that I have to complain is the price. So the iPhone XS has actually gotten more expensive than the iPhone X, which is pretty annoying, concerning that there's not that many new features on the XS. So I don't know why Apple made the phone more expensive. I guess they wanted to make the price difference between the XR and the XS, you know, like a noticeable difference. But other than that, like, it sucks. I mean, the price of the iPhone XS also sucks. I'm not happy with the price. It's really expensive. Not a lot of people can actually afford this phone. If I said this on my iPhone XR review, if I didn't have this YouTube channel, if this YouTube channel wasn't actually my job, I probably wouldn't go with this phone. I probably would just stick with the iPhone XR, because it's simply perfect for the price. I mean, the amount of iPhone, like the amount of iOS, the amount of good cameras, of good processors, wireless charging, like you're getting all of that on the iPhone XR. Like what's the other things that you're getting on the iPhone XS? Basically, a gold color and a better camera, basically. Does that mean that it's a bad thing? No, because the camera on the iPhone XS is incredible, and you can really notice the difference between the iPhone X and the XS. I already made a camera comparison video, so I'll link that below as well if you guys are actually interested in. Like, I really noticed the camera difference. I'm really happy with the camera on the iPhone XS. Like, it takes amazing portrait mode photos. Of course, it takes amazing selfies. The video on it is also amazing. Another thing that I really like about this phone is actually the color. I love the new gold. It matches my Apple Watch, it matches my iPhone, it matches my Beats now. So I mean, the new iPad Pro, it came in space gray, it didn't come in gold, and I was really upset about it. So I'm actually thankful for Apple for freaking adding gold on the iPhone. It's a color that I really like, and I was really upset when it didn't come on the iPad. So I guess I just took a screenshot by accident. Yeah, it's something that I was just really happy. You can leave me a hate comment down below. I don't care. I love gold. The second generation Face ID is way much more reliable than the first generation Face ID on the iPhone 10. Like, it's way much faster now. It's way much more reliable. Like, for example, let's say I'm on my computer. This has to be turned on for my videos. Turned on. You look nicer when you're turned on. There we go. So let's say I'm typing with my Mac and I'm just scrolling through my Mac, and then I want to unlock my iPhone from the table. I can actually do that. So like Face ID actually works when it's like this. So with the first generation Face ID on the iPhone 10, it didn't actually work. It wasn't reliable. So I really noticed the difference with the iPhone 10s with the second generation Face ID. Apple, you did really good here. Like, really good. It works flawlessly. The last thing that I wanted to mention in the video is that the phone, the iPhone 10s, works perfectly. I mean, the A12 Bionic is a beast. It's fast. It just works so perfectly. I mean, I play games on it. Social media, iOS, like the animations from iOS are fluid. So I guess like the actual software works so well, and that's part from iOS and of course the A12 Bionic. So that's something that I really wanted to mention, because I don't feel like reviewers give enough credit on how well an iPhone worked. I mean, it's not even about the iPhone XS, but the iPhone works so well with iOS and the actual chips that Apple actually makes. So that's something that I wanted to mention. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for everything new that I wanted to let you guys know. I could talk about other things, but I've already mentioned that on my review, so I don't really want to make this video too long. So is the iPhone XS actually worth it? That's what this video is actually called. Is it actually worth your money? Is it actually worth those extra $100 rather than your iPhone XR or the iPhone 10? So it's a matter of preference, to be honest. For me, if I wasn't a tech reviewer, as I said, I'd go with the iPhone XR, but maybe photography is something that you take really seriously on. So I guess that's the biggest thing about this phone. If you really want a better camera or this gold color, get the iPhone XS. If not, I have to say that I'm sorry, but I guess the iPhone XR is a better way to go. Once again, I'll repeat that. If you take photography seriously, or if you really like this gold color, go with the iPhone XS. If not, go with the iPhone XR. Now, whether the iPhone 10 or the iPhone XR, that's a whole other video that, of course, I can make. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to make a video comparing all three iPhones in depth. That's something that would actually be a pretty interesting video, and I guess that'd be an actual pretty good video, because I could do like a competition to see which one would win. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this video. Of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below. Actually, you guys actually have to tell me if you guys want to see a video about these beats. So let me know in the comments. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, such as this one, the Hello long sleeve, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. Apple probably thinks I'm crazy talking to the wall. Apple, you want to say hi to the fam? Apple, yeah. Apple, you want to say hi? She was sleeping. I woke her up. I'm so sorry, Apple. Do you like the iPhone XS? Are you getting bored of my video? That's kind of rude. You want to go back to bed? Yeah, she wants to go back to bed. Alright, guys. Now for real, don't forget to like. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. This pillow is also available on appleworldclothing.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Tomorrow I'm actually making my favorite AirPod accessories. So get hyped for that. Also, one more thing. Wow, I have so many things to tell you. I actually ordered my silver play button, which I'm so excited for to unbox it. You guys know that it's been a dream for me to actually get my silver play button, so I'm really happy, really hype. I love you guys. Take it easy.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts.